Then I am going to show you another one. Let okay, barium we have shown. Then let it is present in group 5. Group 5 means it will not give the test of anyone. Group 5, whatever the salt is given, take the salt solution, a dilute HCl, not so, group 1 absent. It will, you add this, not so. You will add this, it will also not show any precipitate. You add this, not so. You will add this, it will also not show any precipitate. That means it is not present in 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a special group, that is group 5, and you have to do their individual test. So we have to go for its individual test. Let one example one salt I am taking, I am doing its confirmation. Yes. So see, I am taking a pinch of salt, I am adding some water, 2 to 3 ml water you add, you will get a solution. To this you will add one reagent I am taking, that is called Nessler reagent. So what is the formula of Nessler reagent? That is K2HgI4. K2HgI4. It is actually a coordinated complex. You will read in your coordination compound, or it is a complex compound whose name is potassium tetraiodido or iodo mercurate 2. नाम बाद में पता चलेगा. You will go on whenever you will read coordination chemistry, you can know this. So you just know the reagent. Nessler reagent is this. This is Nessler reagent, K2HgI4. Whenever you are adding Nessler reagent, okay, before adding Nessler reagent, you have to add 1 to 2 drop of sodium hydroxide to this. Bas, just add sodium hydroxide to this. Then you add Nessler reagent. देखो ये अगर when I am adding 1 drop I have added, you can see at the bottom portion, you can see the brown precipitate is formed. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ऐड कर रहा हूँ because you can see it properly. So see, you will get a brown precipitate here. You can observe gradually it will settle down here. Already brown precipitate. So brown precipitate comes means ammonium is confirmed. So in this way, so many generally group cations are available. We have to do one by one experiment. According to the confirmatory test, you will get its confirmation, and by using the group reagent you can easily know it is present in first which group. Then do the corresponding group confirmatory test and the confirmatory test of the corresponding cation. Okay, thank you. So now, I think we have completed separately how to find the cation, your dry test tube heating, wet test, individually we got it. Now let भाभी दियो तुमको गोटे salt दिया जाइछि, unknown salt दिया जाइछि, how to find it? Unknown salt को हमें केमिति find करिबा? Let's assume भाभी दियो हमको Na plus दिया जाइछि, भाभी दियो, but एटा नहीं, एटा हमें unknown अछि. This is now unknown to you. हमें केमिति एटा को find करिबा? सो तुम फास्ट स्टेप कौन कहला व्हाट इज योर फास्ट स्टेप फास्ट स्टेप रे तुम्हें देखिबो कौन जो जेकोसी गोटे क्रिस्टल दि जाइथिबो NaCl दि जाइछि भाबी दियो NaCl तो फास्ट तुम्हें देखिबो यार चलो एम ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट तो लिखिलो तो सॉल्ट इज XY वन इज कैटायन वन इज एनायन देखियो सॉल्युबिलिटी whether it is soluble in water or not. Yes, let all are water soluble generally. Water soluble. भाभी दियो एटा soluble in water. So this is water soluble. Next we'll go for its whether nature. Nature means तुम्हें देखिबो एटा crystalline या amorphous. तो simply हाथ रे धरिबो जदि crystal भलिया लागिला that is crystalline. जदि powder और talc भलिया लागिला that is called or amorphous. तो you can find easily this one. Then you can go for its this is the first test you have to do that is dry test tube heating already कह जाइछि बहुत गुड़ा प्रोसेस कह गला तो this is the first step you will do this dry test tube heating. So dry test tube heating रे हमें कौन देखिबा ए केस पई धरा जाओ मु नौची कौन कली टेस्ट ट्यूब गोटे टेस्ट ट्यूब रे नबो you take a pinch of salt in a test tube I am not showing I am just telling you because already shown test tube रे salt नबो salt नहीं कौन करिवो you have to heat that test tube in a flame oxidizing flame in a Bunsen burner. So कौन आसीबो एटी तुमरो decrypitation आसीबो एटी गोटे एग्जांपल नहीं कि मु करूची this is your decrypitation takes place. Decrypitation already मु कहिची decrypitation means you will get a sound जमी चटचट साउंड हुए सेमती आसीबो तो decrypitation हैला माने कौन प्रेजेंट अछि गोटे क्रिस्टलाइन सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट अछि व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट क्रिस्टलाइन सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट तापर तुमे कौन जीवो ड्राई टेस्ट ट्यूब हीटिंग परे तो क्रिस्टलाइन सॉल्ट हेले कौन आस परिबो NaCl KCl दिस आर तो assume NaCl assume may be present. Next, after dry test tube heating, you will go for charcoal cavity test. Charcoal cavity test. Charcoal cavity test कौन करा जिवो को आइथिला charcoal cavity test रे कौन करिवो take a charcoal block so it is charcoal ले जो hole थिबो that you have to take a pinch of salt then blow karibo the oxidizing flame by using a blow pipe so seti kon paibo tume gode you will get the infusible salt decrypitated and eti kon paibo test kon pailo observation salt decrypitated and sink into the cavity तो ये कौन कन्फर्मेशन है अगेन इट इज ए क्रिस्टलाइन सॉल्ट तापर जीवे तुम्हें कौन सीरियली दिस इज द स्टेप यू विल गो फॉर फ्लेम टेस्ट फ्लेम टेस्ट रे कौन करिवो यू टेक ए निक्रोम वायर that you dip in concentrated HCl then dip in the salt then show through the oxidizing flame को देखेबो तो it will give the flame coloration तो one color will come तो sodium in case of sodium you will get persistent golden yellow color flame test रे तुमको कौन मिलिवो you will get persistent golden yellow persistent मतलब continuous golden yellow color देखेबो तो तुम्हें पाइलो एटू persistent golden yellow देखेले तुम्हें कौन एटू confirm not confirm present might be तो sodium may be present तो ये है गला हमरो ड्राई टेस्ट ट्यूब हीटिंग चारकोल कैविटी फ्लेम टेस्ट तो एथिरु आमे गोटे प्रिलिमिनरी आइडिया पाई गले कौन आयन्स प्रेजेंट रोची तो बेसिक आयन्स जो बेसिक कैटायन रोची दैट इज सोडियम प्लस. सो नेक्स्ट विल गो फॉर वेट टेस्ट. वेट टेस्ट रो प्रथम स्टेप कौन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट इज प्रेजेंट इन व्हिच ग्रुप. सो फास्ट आमको करिवार अछि ग्रुप टेस्ट. ग्रुप टेस्ट देन कौन करिवो फास्ट you take the salt solution plus add dilute HCl to this because एटा मु तुमको फेर कहूची this is I have taken Na plus or NaCl but एटा को आमे unknowingly आमे जानिचु but unknowingly find करचु. तो Na अच्छी means dilute HCl ले प्रथमे ये precipitate दबो नहीं. No precipitate found. That means you will write group 1 what absent. Then we'll go for the second one, salt solution plus dilute HCl, slightly warm this, then pass which gas, H2S gas. Again no precipitate found. That means which group absent? Group 2 absent. Then you will go for next third one, salt solution. You add ammonium chloride till saturation, then add ammonium hydroxide. Here also you will not get any precipitate. That means which group absent? Group 3A absent. Then you will go for group 4. Sorry, fourth part. Not group 4. The salt solution plus dilute NH4Cl plus NH4OH plus you will pass which gas? H2S gas. Again you will not get any precipitate. That means what is absent? Group 3B is absent. Then you will go for next step. So you will add salt solution plus ammonium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium carbonate. So again your observation is no precipitate. That means group 4 is absent. अगर ये चारों absent रहा, your final thing is that means it is present in group 5 and you have to do individual test. So I am rubbing this part. So this is now you have to go for. So that means salt present in where? Whatever the basic radical or salt or radical present in group 5. तो ग्रुप 5 means you have to do individual test. Very simple. So group 5 रे हमको individual test करिवार अच्छी. तो individual test. So in individual test you go for lead potassium. Test for potassium. Test for प्रथमे हमें कर दबा magnesium +2 individual test. So एडी कौन आसीबो? Salt solution plus ammonium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide plus disodium hydrogen phosphate. Hydrogen phosphate you have to add. So because I have taken sodium, So if I have taken sodium, it will not show the test for magnesium. Unknown hai, so no precipitate found. Because group 5 means you have to test for magnesium plus 2, potassium, sodium plus, and finally ammonium plus, so sodium plus. Then I am going for K plus, test for potassium. Test for potassium. What do you have to take? You have to take 2 ml of salt solution plus sodium nitrite plus few drops of cobalt nitrate, and 1 ml of or 1 drop of dilute acetic acid. Again, you will not get any precipitate. Yellow, no yellow PPT found. If no yellow PPT found, so this is magnesium plus 2 absent. This is what? Potassium plus absent. Finally, you have to do for test for sodium. So you have to take 2 ml of aqueous solution. To this add potassium pyroantimonate. Then after adding this, you stir this solution. Stir the solution. कौन मिलेगा हमको? What you will get? You will get a white crystalline. You will get a white crystalline solid. Means precipitate. That means Na plus confirmed. So after this, तो Na plus पाइगले हमें simply तापरे confirmation लिखी देलो. Hence conclusion कौन आसीबो? Hence the basic radical is Na plus. This is the way to find out a unknown salt. Thank you.